Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhuma said that the Prophet ﷺ used to say between the prostrations, Allahumma ighfirli, warhamni, wa'afini, wahdini, warzuqni. Allahumma ighfirli, warhamni, wa'afini, wahdini, warzuqni. Which means, oh Allah, forgive me. Oh Allah, have mercy on me. Oh Allah, cure me. Oh Allah, or afini, of course, is to be safe in regards to your health. Wahdini, oh Allah, guide me. Warzuqni, oh Allah, provide for me. Now, subhanAllah, what is incredible here is that we also have authentic narrations that when someone would convert to Islam, when someone would become Muslim, this was the dua the Prophet ﷺ would teach them. Like just as a comprehensive dua as a whole, how do you call upon Allah now? Just say, Allahumma ighfirli, warhamni, wa'afini, wahdini, warzuqni. That'll cover all of your affairs in this life and the next. So that was the dua the Prophet ﷺ would teach a new Muslim. And that is the dua, the supplication the Prophet ﷺ would make between the two sajdahs. Now, why the second sajda? Why are there even two sajdas? Imam al-Ghazali rahimahullah said it's as if you wait for permission from the Lord to go down into sajda again, to be gifted that again. Like it's the closest you get to the Lord, you tasted its sweetness. You come back, you realize there's something you forgot to ask for. Imagine when the king gives you an extension or says, come back in. I delayed my next appointment. Of course, to Allah Azza wa Jal belongs the highest example, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not limited by the appointments like we are, right? But imagine the king welcomes you back in once again, or extends your time. So Al-Ghazali says, as if you're in this waiting room and you get more time. Wait for permission. Also, this shows the superiority of the sujood to the ruku'. The sujood you do twice, the ruku' you do once. And this is like in Hajj. There's the tawaf of Umrah and the tawaf of Hajj, right? And then there's even tawaf al-wada', right? So there's the tawaf when you initially come, there's the tawaf of az-ziyarah, the tawaf of Hajj, and there's the tawaf at the end. So that shows the superiority of tawaf. Likewise, the sujood is such. Everything in the salah is an introduction to the sujood. And if you miss something from the wajibat, what do you make it up with? From the mandatory actions, not the pillars, the second category, which are the wajibat, you make it up with sujood at the end, right? Sajda sahu, the prostration of forgetfulness. So the sajda can make things up, but nothing can make up a sajda, right? The sajda is profound enough that it can make up for things that are missed, but nothing can make up for the sajda. So it is the greatest position. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for a death in our place in sujood. Allahumma ameen.